Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a review of Kringle Heaven, the online store that's been advertising premium artificial cedar garlands. The big question, is it legit or is it a scam? Let's find out. Kringle Heaven's website says they offer 6-foot artificial cedar garlands and a 90-day money-back guarantee with free returns. On surface, this looks promising. Quality product claims plus good customer promise. However, diving deeper things get murky. According to a site called Scam Detector, the domain kringleheaven.com was created very recently and the trust score given was only 21.5 over 100, which the site labels as suspicious, unsafe, doubtful. That's a red flag. On the review front, there are only 2 reviews listed on Trustpilot at the moment, giving an average rating of 3.8 out of 5. While those 2 reviews are positive, fast shipping, and way better than other stores, the sample size is tiny. So, is Kringle Heaven a scam? I wouldn't say definitely a scam. Based on what I found, it could well be a legit startup online store. It's not yet proven to be fully trustworthy either. If you decide to buy, go in with your eyes open. Thanks for watching!